Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use DeepSeek in your laptop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up DeepSeek for yourself on your laptop. So go to deepseek.com right here if you're not already, and after opening up the main page, you can get started creating an account. So guys, you'll be able to use DeepSeek on your laptop, but first you're going to need an account. So if you do not already have one, you can create a new one by clicking start now. That's going to enable you to register for an account, and if you have one, you can just log in using the same way right here and we can get started. So after you have gotten your account guys, and now you can get started with using DeepSeek, now we can take a look at how you run it locally on our laptop. And basically guys, you can see here is an article showing us how to run DeepSeek on your computer and on your laptop, and what we're going to be needing guys is the Llama engine. So this is an AI engine guys right here at llama.com that you can go ahead and open up, and from here you can download Llama. So you can take a look at it. They can run DeepSeek from Llama, so you can download it right here. As you can see, it's going to enable you to download it for Windows or Mac OS. The Linux doesn't matter depending what platform you're using, and once you're ready, just click download, and once you have installed guys and got it running, you can get started with following the rest of the steps right here. It's going to enable you to download DeepSeek Air 1. So as you can see, you can even click on it right here. That's going to enable you to download it for yourself and start and run it in Llama. And this is how you're going to go ahead and use it on your laptop. So if you do not want to use the web interface right here, you can download it to your laptop. So follow the rest of the steps right here. Take a look at any troubleshooting you might face and take a look at all the steps you need to follow to get it up and running on your computer. But this is how to get started, and this is the basic premise you're going to need. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.